Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a graph using Excel online. So once you're logged into your DCDSB account, you can go on here and click on Excel rather than Word or OneNote and the other programs we've been using. So once you're in Excel, let me get you there from the beginning. You will want to create a new blank workbook. And you can see that here. You've seen this before when you're into Word, PowerPoint, whatever, but this is Excel. So here's where you're going to click. You're going to open a new workbook in Excel, and you're going to have your data that you've created by your survey. So, for example, let's say I am out on the street on a walk and I am counting different cars, and I want to look at the color of a car. So car color is what I'm looking for. And then number of cars is how many I'm seeing. So if I have the car, I'm going to make this a little bigger just so I can fit the words. There we go. So if I'm out on my walk, say a 20-minute to half-hour walk, and I'm going to see some black cars, I'm going to see some white cars, I'm going to see lots of gray cars, probably it's a popular color. Maybe I'll see a red, and maybe there's just like the odd one. Maybe I see a couple blue, maybe a weird yellow, but I'm going to make that an other because you don't want to have a million options. So say over the course of a 30-minute walk, I'm going to see 6 black cars. Maybe I saw, I don't know, 14 white cars, 22 gray cars, maybe the odd red car, and then the other, maybe 8 cars in total. So there I go. There's all my data there from my 20-minute walk or 30-minute walk, whatever. And I have it there in my Excel sheet. Here's the easy part. All you need to do to create a graph in Excel is highlight all your data, just like I did there. So you click on the bottom right-hand corner and you click and drag it all. Then over here, you're going to hit insert. So you can see insert here next to home. Now you have to decide what type of graph you want. So let me look over here and I see it says recommended charts. So charts, graphs, same thing. I'm going to click on that and it's going to pop up here on the right-hand side. It's going to actually look at your data and tell you which graph they think looks best with that type of data. It's quite amazing that you don't even have to make a decision. So you go on here and you go, okay, so this one looks kind of cool. I don't know about a circle chart right now, but you know what? I'm going to go with a straight up bar graph. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to hit insert chart. Put it way down here. I can bring it up here. It basically does the work for you. It puts all of the car colors at the bottom, the number of charts going up. It picks the correct scale so that you can show your data in a good way. It does it all for you. If you don't like what they've done and you want to change it up, make it better, you come up here and click on chart, and then you can change things. You can change what your title is, your axis titles. You can change the color if you would like. If I move myself out of the way, I can click format. I can then change all different things on here. I can change the font, all different things on what I want to do with my data. So it actually makes it quite easy. Now, if I didn't want to do this recommended, I can go back here, highlight my data, go back to insert, and I can choose from the selections right here. Like if you know for sure you want a line or a bar graph, you want a scatter plot, you want a pie chart or a circle graph, you can click there and it's still going to do the same thing. It's going to create the graph for you. Now this one here, you can see how it doesn't have any labels. So you're going to want to go click on data labels. And then you can pick where you really want it to be, like say there. Or you can change it. I want it actually in the graph. So you can actually say, you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can do anything you like as long as you understand that you have a set of data in your table here and you're going to create your graph. So again, you first are going to line up all your data in a little table here. So car color number, you can make it all fancy. You can center all these if you'd like, but all you have to do is highlight everything that you've created, insert, and then you're going to pick which type of graph you'd like. And that's it. That's how you create a graph on Excel. All right. Have a great day.